Jackson County is a county in the U.S. state of South Dakota. As of the 2020 census, the population was 2,806. Its county seat is Kadoka. The county was created in 1883, and was organized in 1915. Washabaugh County was merged into Jackson County in 1983. The terrain of Jackson County consists of mountains rising from rolling hills. The ground is arid and carved with drainages. The White River flows eastward, cutting a meandering channel through the central part. The terrain generally slopes to the knee. Its highest point is a ridge near the SW corner, at 3,274 feet, 998 meters, ASL. Jackson County voters have been reliably Republican for decades. In only one national election since 1936 has the county selected the Democratic Party candidate. The median income for a household in the county was $36,354 and the median income for a family was $41,838. Males had a median income of $32,000.